We'll guide you through how to make a ChatGPT call using the latest methods available in 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Once there, sign in to your account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, navigate to the ChatGPT section of the site. You'll see an option labeled ChatGPT Calls on the main dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll find a list of available contacts, or you can enter a phone number or email address to initiate a new call. Make sure you have given the necessary permissions for your microphone and speakers to work. This ensures smooth communication. Click the Initiate Call button, and a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the call with the chosen contact or number. Confirm to start the call. During the call, you can use the chat interface to type messages or give commands to ChatGPT. The AI will respond in real time, creating an interactive conversation experience. If you need to end the call, simply click the End Call button. Don't forget to explore the settings to adjust audio levels or other preferences for a better experience. This feature is a great way to utilize AI for direct communication. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.